have some big news coming in on the Ambani bomb scare case. The developments now, the NIA sources claim that digital evidence that's been seized by the NIA has been tampered with, allegedly by Sachin Waze himself. Sources also said that some of the data is also missing here. NIA sources said that digital video recorder of Sachin Waze's building in Saket Society is also tampered with, or even suspect that it's probably deleted. NIA officials are not sure that it was Waze who was in possession of the Scorpio car, and it was never allegedly stolen. In fact, here we're looking at NIA officials now almost assuring that it was indeed Waze who was in possession of that Scorpio car, which was laden with explosives, kept right outside Ambani's residence with a threat note. Here we're looking at NIA now also further establishing that Sachin Waze could be deeply involved in this controversy. We are looking at a bomb scare where Sachin Waze is now being pulled up, arrested, NIA finding one after the other details of Sachin Waze's involvement in this case here. Let's quickly cut across live. Our reporter joining us, Saurav Aktania. Do give us some updates on that, Saurav. Cutting across to you. Saurav, if you can hear us.
Well, Nabila, first of all, when Sachin Waze came to NIA office on Saturday. Yes, Nabila, can you hear me?
Go on, Saurav. What exactly is the situation here currently with Sachin Waze now being pulled up? The NIA is saying that CCTV footage near his house and digital evidence has been tampered with.
So Nabila, Sachin Waze is a very smart officer. He has been the encounter specialist for a very long time. He was with one of the top cops of Mumbai when the crime branch was at peak in Mumbai. So when he came to NIA, he did not brought his mobile phone, and his mobile phone had key evidences. Now, let me tell you that yesterday in the wee hours when NIA officers actually raided Mumbai Police Headquarters CIU, where actually Sachin Waze was posted, they recovered lot of digital evidences. Now, what were the digital evidences? That was one phone, iPad, laptop and the DVR. The NIA clearly suspected, and now they have come, an official said that the Scorpio car which was stolen, which was said to be stolen, was actually in possession of Sachin Waze and had kept as his building Saket Society in Thane. Now what the CIU official did is they removed all the CCTV footage of Saket Society, and now it has been tampered or deleted. So lot of important, very crucial evidences, Nabila, which was hidden in all this digital evidence.
Absolutely.
That's the mobile phone, iPad and the DVR is said to be tampered or deleted. But let me tell you, the NIA has brought in their best forensic team who will get all the deleted
and that's
items.
Precisely what we have faith in. Hopefully the forensic team will investigate this further. Sachin Waze has now been pulled up. He's being investigated for his involvement in Ambani bomb scare case. We're looking at digital evidence there that could have been tampered with. NIA officials say that they're almost sure that it was Sachin Waze who was in possession of that Scorpio car which was parked right outside Antilia. Considering the movements of that car even before it reached Antilia was somewhere around Sachin Waze's colony. So it appears that Sachin Waze could be the man behind this Ambani bomb scare. That's what the NIA sources are currently indicating. Now, in a sensational twist to Ambani bomb scare case, the NIA sources has disclosed to India Today that this man spotted outside Ambani's residence here that you see here, that we've marked for you, who's wearing a loose white kurta. This man could be Sachin Waze himself. This is a suspicion there that the NIA has, very strong suspicion. The NIA has that this man here wearing this white kurta, which seemingly looks like a PPE kit, he could be Sachin Waze, who was right outside Antilia before the car with explosives was parked right outside and abandoned. NIA sources say that Sachin Waze eventually burnt down that kurta using fuel which was kept inside the black Mercedes, which the car of which now is in possession with the NIA. And In fact, the car was also recovered right by the agency near the Mumbai Crime Branch office. Agency has now recovered incriminating evidence from the car, 5,75,000 rupees with petrol and diesel from inside that car. Meanwhile, Mumbai police have now initiated an internal inquiry into how many such private cars were being used by Waze. As per sources, Mumbai police taking out details of all the cars which Waze bought to Commissioner's office. Sources added that Waze was using private cars for travelling and in fact, he used private cars for travelling during official operations as well. Waze was in fact using around 5 cars which he used regularly, brought to the Mumbai Police Commissioner's office.
NIA ने आज एक ब्लैक कलर की मर्सिडीज बेंज को सीज किया है, जिस सीजर में जो स्कॉर्पियो पे नंबर प्लेट थी उसको रिकवर किया है। 5 लाख से ज्यादा कैश रिकवर किया है, एक नोट काउंटिंग मशीन रिकवर की है, रिकवर किए हैं और इसके बीच में जारी। ये गाड़ी सचिन वाजे चलाते थे। ये किसकी गाड़ी है इसके बारे में अभी जांच चल रही है।
All right, let's quickly cut across. India Today spoke exclusively to Saransh Bhavsam, the first black Mercedes car owner that was recovered by the NIA in the Ambani bomb scare case, where the police officer Sachin Waze is the prime accused. Here's what the first owner of that black Mercedes has to say.
जो अभी मर्सिडीज सामने आई है, NIA ने जो बताया है कि मुंबई से जो पुलिस के ऑफिस के पास से या उनके पार्किंग से जो मर्सिडीज मिली है उसके ऊपर रजिस्ट्रेशन पे आपका नाम है। तो ये बात सही है क्या?
हाँ, ये बात सही है ना।
तो ये मर्सिडीज जो इस्तेमाल की जा रही थी, जो अभी आरोपी वजह है अधिकारी, वो इस्तेमाल कर रहे, तो फिर आपने वजह इन्हें ये मर्सिडीज दी या उनके पास ये कैसी पहुंची?
नहीं सर, किया जाए तो मैं सचिन वाजे जी को जानता भी नहीं हूँ। ये कौन है, क्या है सर, इनका नाम भी मैंने कल फर्स्ट टाइम सुना है। मैंने गाड़ी इन फरवरी मंथ कार्स 24 को सोल्ड आउट कर दी थी। अब उसके बाद में क्या हुआ आई डोंट नो सर।
फरवरी 2020 और
2021 सर,
यानी पिछले महीने ही आपने ये कार दे दी। पर उसका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन आपने पूरा नहीं किया, तो फिर आपकी जिम्मेदारी हो गई, क्योंकि ये कार तो आपके नाम पर रजिस्टर्ड है।
सर एज पर नॉर्म जो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करने हैं वो मैंने सारे कर लिए है, और कोई ऑफिशियल मुझे अगर इंक्वायरी पे पूछता है तो मैं उनको वो सारी चीजें प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.